Yo, what's going on, dudes? Welcome back to the channel. This is the updates on my 2024 Pan America and Alpine Green. I remember last time I showed you guys the lights, how I retrofitted them. I also did the backs too. I don't have a video on that one yet, but it's essentially the same thing. Look how better that looks. But yeah, guys, today's video is on my upgraded exhaust here. I ended up going with the Toce exhaust. It looks pretty sick and it's super loud. Like, I took it out for a spin yesterday. It's super loud, and also I did order the Baffle, the DB killer, which I'm gonna install. It's pretty simple. Just in case if it was too loud, which it is, because I've seen other videos of people putting it on and then wishing they got like the Vance and Hines or another exhaust for it, but the quality is all right. I did see out of the box that, if you guys can see, this isn't dirt. This is like scuffs, I think, that was from shipment, or when it was made, when it was powder coated, I don't know. But I mean, you can't really see it, so I was like, whatever, dude. Like, it took like 25 days for me to receive this after I made the order. Business days. So I was like, dude, you know what? It is what it is. But let me open up the garage a bit and then I'll turn it on for you guys. There we go.
Oh my God! Wow!
Today I'm gonna install the DB killer and see if that makes a difference, which I'm sure it will. I've already seen reviews on it. It's still loud, but it's manageable. But dude, like, the bike just looks so sick. Stick around for the install video of the DB killer. And you just gotta put the clip back on. It's really easy. It's on there. Let's start up and see how she sounds. So to be honest, I really can't tell a difference. Maybe there's a difference while I'm actually riding, but right now it's like maybe 1 or 2 decibels quieter, but it's really not even noticeable. Yeah, can't wait to take off for a spin. See if there's any drone. But it sounds good. It's a tiny bit quieter, not too much. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Later.